The political temperature in Tamil Nadu is rising as alliance talks ahead of the 2026 assembly elections hit a serious roadblock. The latest updates, seat sharing discussion within the DMK-led alliance are now stuck, with the CPI taking a firm and clear stand. The Communist Party of India, or CPI, has openly said that it will not accept anything less than 6 seats. This is the same number of seats the party contested in the 2021 assembly elections. According to party leaders, this demand is fair, reasonable and based on their previous contribution to the alliance. This decision was finalized during an urgent meeting of the CPI State Working Committee held at the party headquarters in Chennai. In this meeting, leaders carefully reviewed the current situation of talks with the DMK leadership and discussed why the negotiations are not moving forward. The CPI leadership believes that reducing their seat share could weaken their opposition in the alliance. They also fear it may create a dissatisfaction among party workers and supporters, which could affect overall unity. At the same time, the left parties are trying to stay united. CPI State Secretary M. Veerapandiyan is in discussion with the CPIM State Secretary P. Shanmugam. Their aim is to present a strong and common stand while negotiating with the DMK so that their collective interests are protected. Adding to the complexity, the DMK is also looking at bringing new alliance into the coalition. This move is making existing partners cautious as they are worried their share of seats might be reduced to accommodate newcomers. With elections getting closer, this unresolved seat sharing issue is becoming a major challenge for the DMK-led alliance. However, leadership handles these demands will be very important, not just for finalizing the election strategy, but also for maintaining unity within the alliance. For now, all eyes are on whether a compromise can be reached or if this deadlock will continue to grow.